Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new smartwatch. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. See how this works, see how it looks. It's got the user manual for it right there. Look at that. Very, very nice. Especially if you just need something in the meantime. Let's go ahead and actually power it on. All right, there it goes. Very nice display. Let's go ahead and actually go through the prompts. English, and then we'll go ahead and download this application. And it does have a QR option as well. You can skip all of that if you're not trying to hook it up to your smartphone. I do want to actually do it, but it does have an option for you just to kind of skip that part. It'll take you just to set up like the time, and then you'll be right inside the watch now. But I do actually want to get notifications and things like that so we can try it out. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up. All right, so once you charge the watch and power it on, you'll want to download the Fit Cloud Pro app. It's free on the App Store and Google Play Store. Once you open up the app, it'll pair via Bluetooth in just a few taps. On the app's main screen, you'll see your daily steps, calories burned, and distance walked. Everything updates automatically as you move. Below that, you've got simple tiles for workout records, sleep, heart rate, and you can tap each one to view a full breakdown. In the device tab, you can also toggle calls, alerts, SMS notifications, alarms, and any reminders to move or to drink water. I like that it also supports raise to wake, so the screen lights up when you lift your wrist, just like the high-end models. And I did want to mention also that it does work with Android devices as well. All right, so as you can see, that setup took less than 5 minutes. Very, very simple. But now that it's all set up, let's actually go and look at it now that it is binded with the phone. And like I said, the touchscreen is very responsive, as you can see. It has the Find My Phone if you need help locating your phone. It has a lot of the same things that you normally would see on a regular watch. Call records, voice assistant, workout, heart rate, workout records, sleep, blood oxygen, your messages, weather, music, breath training, stopwatch, alarm clock, and it just goes on, right? So very, very cool, very, very simple. So let's actually try out some of the features. So let's see how it looks like once I actually get a text message. All right, and there it is, a notification right there. So we can go ahead and click on it. You can see the entire message right there. Very cool. All right, and that is what it looks like once you have a phone call coming in. Once you accept the phone call on the watch, it will actually send it straight to your phone, or if you're in the car, it'll send it to that Bluetooth on your car. But like I said, it's still handy to have to see all your notifications right away. You are also able to, like I said, you can control your music here. If you want to have it, the weather right then and there, sleep, heart rate, all the same options you would normally have. You are able to also modify the vibration intensity. So if you don't want it too much, I think it's standard on soft vibrations. You are able to set a password to it as well. So if you want to make sure that it's secure, just have that 4-digit PIN. You are able to do so. And then if you did want to change like the background of it, you are able to do that. I kind of did like that standard one, but I just wanted to show you some of the different options on here. So I'm going to just switch it to this one for now. And like I said, very cool. The display looks very clean. Everything does work off this one button right here. Normally you would have a second here, but everything is off just this one button. So as you can see, very simple smartwatch. It's almost plug and play. Just bind it with your phone and then you're literally good to go. So if you guys are looking for a good replacement smartwatch, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can get yours.